Hi everyone, welcome back. Marybeth Angelelli here. In today's video, I want to go through with you exactly what you need to make money online in 2021 and beyond. Now we're getting ready to roll into the final quarter, the final stretch of 2021. And I've been doing this for a long time now on a full-time basis. Got my start online back in 2007. And in order to start to earn a consistent income online, it's not difficult, but you really need three things. You need an offer. That offer needs to be comprised of a product to be able to purchase through a system. So you need an offer to be able to offer to people to be able to purchase in the form of a product. That's the second. And the third is a system, something that is going to automate the process and do all of the telling, selling, and explaining for you. I believe Infinity Processing System is the ideal solution for you to get started to be able to generate a full-time consistent income online because of what is offered in the back office. And I'm going to take you into the pro level back office, which is our $300 level. This step-by-step video training tutorials combined with digital downloads is going to equip you with the information and the skill set so that you can go out there and start to earn while you learn using these strategies. Okay, these are the very same strategies, many of which I learned when I got started and have been learning and evolving through over the years. Okay, it all comes down to generating traffic and leads. It's all about traffic generation. If you have an ample supply of leads coming through your funnel day in, day out, folks, you are going to be able to start to convert a percentage of those leads over into paid signups, and that's going to put profits into your bank account. Okay, this is member to member, which I absolutely love. It pays 100% commission. There are three product levels. Okay, we have a basic for 50, we have an elite for 150, and we have our pro for 300, which is our best recommended package. Okay, the product base here within IPS is our pro level because it gives you everything you could ever want at an affordably packaged price. Okay, you're going to get everything back here. This is the back office. When you become a member, you log in. You want to go ahead and request to join our 2 Facebook groups. You want to watch this welcome video, and you just want to follow the steps in order. Step 1, you watch this video, you join these 2 Facebook groups, and then you just follow the steps in order. You have to create, a payment button that shows you how to do that. You decide however you want to get paid. You're allowed to create up to 3 payment methods to get paid. Okay, I mean, you can use a merchant account, you can use Zelle, you can use Google Pay, you can use Cash App, you can use Venmo. Of course, there's Stripe, there's PayPal, just to name a few of the most common, popular third-party payment processors. And then you just follow these steps in order, and then you order your website. It's $25 one time, folks, okay, for the sales page, okay? And that has the VSL, which is the video sales letter that puts this whole system into action, doing the telling, selling, and explaining for you 24/7 so that you don't have to, okay? And then you just follow through with step 5. You have to forward all of this information here to get this website so there's no issues or delays. And that's it, folks. It's really, really simple. These are the products. This is going to show you exactly how to start from ground zero, from scratch, to build a successful online business. Doesn't matter what you're promoting, folks. You can get started here at IPS, especially if you are brand new. This is very newbie friendly. And then this is going to position you and give you the skill set, folks, to be able to go into any online business opportunity and put you on the fast track to success. You're going to know exactly what to do, how to do it, and where to go to start generating traffic and leads. It's all about a consistent, steady lead flow. You master traffic generation, folks, you're going to literally be able to start to write your own paychecks. And what better way to do it than to enjoy these wonderful $300 commissions. You get to keep 100% of the commissions, folks. That's absolutely amazing, and there's zero monthly fees involved. I've been part of Infinity Processing System since it first launched back in the very beginning of March of this year, 2021. This is going to show you everything, folks. Introduction, how to get set up, how to create an automated sales funnel, which is a very, very invaluable skill to learn. And if you don't want to learn how to do that, folks, that's totally optional, but it will be in your best interest to learn this invaluable skill set. We do have done for you options just to let you know. So no worries whatsoever, okay? You're going to learn exactly what to say to prospects, to your leads, when they ask you for information. Absolutely huge, folks. There's just tons of value in here, folks, for $300. Personal development, winning mindset, art of persuasion and influence. You're going to be granted access to 200 pre-written ads plus 60 additional bonus image ads. You can use these for IPS. You can modify them. You can take them and make adjustments into them and use them for any other business. How to upgrade. If you come in at the basic or elite, you just simply pay the difference within 30 days. This gives you a complete step-by-step 7-day action plan for success. A guide, exactly what to do when you show up Monday through Sunday. Exactly what to do, folks. So it completely eliminates the guesswork out of the equation. This will show you how to become a successful Facebook marketer, and you can learn Facebook marketing mastery, okay? Lots of options are here, folks. You don't have to dive into all of these, initially, because you don't want to put yourself in a position where you're going to be set up to go on information overload. I recommend picking only one method first, one strategy, getting really good at it, becoming a master over it, and then going out there and applying and implementing it. Start generating leads, okay? And just keep it moving, keep it going, keep it flowing, and then come in and learn a second skill set, a second strategy. Become a master over it and get really good. Apply and implement it, use it with consistency, and then you're going to have two different methods going together, flowing simultaneously. And then you can layer on as you go, folks, okay? And there's no rush, folks. Rome was not built overnight. I just recommend coming in here and going at your own pace, what you are comfortable with, without setting yourself up to go on information overload, okay? When you do have a budget, when you start to make money, I would definitely recommend getting into some paid traffic. It's going to make your life a lot easier. It's going to put your offer in front of more people, and it's really going to automate the process, okay? And this shows you exactly where and how to purchase paid traffic, which is totally optional, but it's very well worth it, and it's very scalable, okay? Start with what you can, 100 clicks, and then just work your way upward and scale up as you go, okay? And as your budget and resources take you to the next level, okay? Craigslist marketing, that's another option. Great place, great skill to learn for sure. We have Instagram marketing. We have YouTube marketing and YouTube automation. This is actually where I started to build the foundation of my business when I did come online way back in 2007. Fast forward to 2021, folks, I am still here. YouTube has made me a lot of money over the years. I do highly recommend that you learn YouTube marketing to be able to automate your business. And even if that might mean stepping outside of your comfort zone to become a master marketer, okay, and have success that you desire above all things, and more importantly, that you deserve, okay? So just some food for thought, all right? We have TikTok marketing, which has become very, very popular. This also teaches you how to automate your business with your six-figure system. They even give you a complete 30-day follow-up series to be able to use, apply, and upload into your autoresponder, okay? And then we have extra bonuses in the form of hotels and restaurant discount vouchers. So folks, in a nutshell, this is how to build a successful business from ground zero, from scratch, all the skills to equip you to build that all-important foundation so you can become a master marketer over traffic and lead generation. Once you start to learn these skills, once you start to apply and implement them, folks, this is going to allow you to build the foundation of any online business. It's going to teach you how to build your list, how to build your following, how to follow up properly, and how to brand yourself and position yourself as a leader in this wonderful online space and in home-based business industry. Folks, this is our busy season now that we have entered into, and this is an ideal system, folks, to get started. In my opinion, it is affordably priced, 0 monthly fees, member to member, no waiting to get paid, no waiting on checks from any company, 100% you get to keep, that's huge, 0 monthly fees. And once you join at the pro level or upgrade to pro level, you also get the elite and basic. So you can earn on all 3 levels, keeping and retaining 100% of the commissions at the 50, the 150, and the 300. And if you do some simple math, folks, just to let you know, of course, I can't make any income claims, guarantees, or promises to you because I don't know what you'll do with this. And of course, unfortunately, I don't know your work ethic. But running some numbers, folks, keep this in the back of your mind when you're building a business. $300 a day. Once you can reach that $300 a day level, that becomes a 6-figure a year income, okay? And that is the potential that awaits you when you plug into a system like this, a $300 a day system, okay? So with that being said, the link to my IPS opportunity is below. You'll find my contact information below. If you're serious, folks, I'm here to help you. I've been doing this a long time. I definitely am someone who can help you to successfully get started building your IPS business online. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm only a text or phone call away. You will find my website and my contact information below. So until my next video, folks, you take care. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I wish you nothing but the best. Stay safe out there, and I'll be back at you on another video very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.